Hey y'all, this is Brian with Stokes & Company Restoration Business. I work for a local Kubota dealership here in Will Point, Texas, Deen Kubota, and I have a lot of customers coming in asking how to replace a deck chute or other various pretty simple repairs on Kubota, lawnmowers, tractors, and this video here is just going to be here to help you out so that we can help our fellow neighbors out and give them some guidance and just pass along what I have learned. We have got the Z726X. This is a commercial grade gasoline Kawasaki powered mower with the 60-inch deck that I use here on my house. It is a great mower, has lots of power. Really been pleased with this. My deck chute is not damaged, but what I'm going to show you today is how to put in a bungee cord to fold this up so that when you're loading and unloading off the trailer, going around somewhere where you need to fold it up so that you don't rip it off, save you some time and money. That hopefully will be appreciated. I just pass along the things that I've seen that I do that I believe will help you out. So like I said, mine's not damaged, but we are going to show you how to replace this today. One of the first things you want to do is grab you some safety glasses. Pair of dikes, needle nose. We're going to take this cotter pin loose. Okay, here's the deck chute removed.